Let's cut to the chase. We'd all love indulging in some tasty treats, but not everything that tickles your taste buds is good for you. In fact, some foods are downright destructive to your health. Buckle up, because we're about to reveal the top 10 worst foods that are wreaking havoc on your body. Spoiler alert, you might want to rethink that snack you're munching on right now. 1. Sugary drinks. Sodas and sugary juices, so refreshing, yet so harmful. These beverages are loaded with sugar and empty calories. They spike your blood sugar levels, leading to weight gain and increasing the risk of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and cavities. Swap them out for water or herbal tea and watch your health improve. 2. Processed meats. Bacon, hot dogs, sausages. Processed meats are delicious but dangerous. They're packed with preservatives like nitrates and nitrites, which can increase the risk of cancer. Plus, they're often high in salt and saturated fat, contributing to high blood pressure and heart disease. 3. Trans fats. Found in many fried foods, baked goods, and margarines, trans fats are the villains of the fat world. They raise bad cholesterol, LDL, and lower good cholesterol, HDL, leading to an increased risk of heart disease and stroke. Check food labels and avoid anything with partially hydrogenated oils. 4. Refined carbs. White bread, pastries, and many breakfast cereals are made from refined carbs, which have been stripped of their nutrients and fiber. These carbs cause rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar, leading to overeating and weight gain. Opt for whole grains instead to keep your blood sugar stable. 5. High sodium foods. Foods like chips, canned soups, and processed snacks are loaded with salt. Too much sodium can raise blood pressure, increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Aim to keep your daily sodium intake below 2,300 milligrams, about 1 teaspoon of salt. 6. Artificial sweeteners. 0 calories, but at what cost? Artificial sweeteners like aspartame and sucralose can disrupt your metabolism, leading to weight gain and increased cravings for sweets. They may also negatively impact gut health. Stick to natural sweeteners like honey or stevia in moderation. 7. Fast food. Convenient but catastrophic for your health. Fast food is often high in unhealthy fats, sugars, and salt. Regular consumption is linked to obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and even depression. Cooking at home with fresh ingredients is a healthier and often more satisfying alternative. 8. Commercial baked goods. Donuts, cakes, and cookies. Oh my! These sweet treats are typically high in sugar, refined flour, and unhealthy fats. They contribute to weight gain, inflammation, and an increased risk of chronic diseases. Try making your own healthier versions at home with whole ingredients. 9. Candy and sweets. It's no secret that candy is packed with sugar, but it also contains artificial colors and flavors that can be harmful. Excessive sugar intake is linked to a host of problems, including obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. Reach for a piece of fruit instead to satisfy your sweet tooth. 10. Alcohol. While an occasional drink might not be harmful, regular and excessive alcohol consumption can lead to liver disease, addiction, and an increased risk of cancers. It also dehydrates you and adds empty calories to your diet. Moderation is key. Stick to recommended limits to protect your health. There you have it, the top 10 worst foods that are secretly sabotaging your health. Cutting back on these foods can lead to significant improvements in your well-being. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself, but about making smarter choices.